Today because I never want to talk about these things since. But at the verse, you know what? I want you to talk because me, it get what I like to talk, get what I don't like to talk. Today, I know you're happy for this our Nigeria government system. I classify everybody. Chinese is being rejected by all country. Anything they bring come is bad. I see no reason why my own governor with me the support go see carry Chinese come na Benin City is a very, very bad thing. Italy don't reject Chinese. Anything they bring come was bad. Anything Chinese bring come is bad. I don't know why Nigeria government says so stupid. Now Chinese don't constantly carry. The people they kill they go. Our governor did the case, or Chinese, our president did the case. Country where they reject, Italy reject Chinese now because they came, they don't get cure. They infect infection to people. Our country they carry Chinese they come. I know they happy for that thing. Italy, what did they feel do when they bring the come? They cause most problem. Italy say when they bring their money, but different countries when they bring their money. Now Nigeria government, our governor, they carry they come our country. That I first put. I can never support Chinese to be in Edo State. And I can never support Chinese. They get nothing to do. Civilized country, they test, they see say fake things. Why our people know the get sense? Why our people know the get sense? Italian government rejects them. They come Italy, say they want to help. They came to destroy. Now Italy, they draw the money. Spain, they draw the money. Now our country, now they want to accept Chinese. My governor. You know why? Everything they do away, but this Chinese way you can't do now, you can't wrong. Now then you make mistake. This is a big mistake. For you bringing Chinese to Edo State is the biggest mistake you have ever made. The biggest mistake you have ever made, bringing Chinese. You are not supposed to bring Chinese. Watch the screen and watch the world. We were there in Italy. We see problem where Chinese they cause here. Chinese they come here say they want to come help Italia. They come with another more sickness. The Italian government they draw the money now. My governor Baseki, you know what it take test that thing. A civilized country test and they see they came with infection. Then they take pollute key for Italy. Now, una carry and come Edo State to eliminate everybody for Edo State. To eliminate me. Make I don't let everybody nothing when Chinese people do. They don't come or kill. They are to kill in Nigeria. What thing our Nigeria's government they think? I disagree for that statement. It is very, very wrong. For our people to see truth, they don't talk. I must see truth and I'll say it. I disagree with Chinese in Edo State and I disagree for Chinese invading Nigeria. It's very, very wrong. Later on, we go hear people go to die like that because of China where they can't come to Edo State. How we go fit it cure them? We are not supposed to bring Chinese to Edo State. Our governor is not supposed to allow China to come to Edo State. The biggest mistake governor ever made. This Chinese way can't come Edo State and then you made mistake, governor. You are not supposed to bring Chinese to Edo State. You make a great big mistake. These people, they get nothing to do. Those cameo, they just came there to kill. They don't come help. They came to Italy. See problem when they cause for Italy. Italian government are asking them to return their money. And the Chinese are coming, they are setting their warship in every country. Now our people are keeping silent and the Nigerian government that has no weapon. You know the mission of China? China has come to destroy the world. Why must people be bringing China to our country? I am not happy with that particular thing. I will never support Chinese to come to Nigeria. No. They are not good people. So I'm not in support of Chinese, and I will never support. Chinese is not supposed to come to Edo State. Edo State is not made for China. There is a problem in Europe. We are facing problem. The Chinese came to Italy, they came to destroy. But when the Italian government realized the whole thing responsible, now they are asking the Chinese to come and pay billions. Now the Nigerian government are not seeing this thing. That the Italian government are holding Chinese responsible for the atrocity they caused in the land of Italy. Now Nigerian government are taking Chinese to our land. And those state government, you are taking Chinese to our land. I support you to come out for 4+4 for second term. For this one, when you go bring Chinese, you need to immediately send them back. I can never support this China. I will never support them to infect my land. I see what they do for a year. When we know they go work, so they are the cause. Children know they go school, they are the cause. Why must you not bring the same people? They came to Italy, what did they do? I don't invest for this thing. I invest. Now so we can hear. I don't support this one. I must let Edo State governor know, say, this one what he do, he made big mistake for bringing China to Edo State. No bring China. You made mistake for China. You are not supposed to bring China. Every other thing they do are good, but you are going to bring China. You want to spoil everything. What other people come they die for Edo State? Wait till they talk. They can't spoil your name. We will come they support you. They come they cause us. That is why I use this one to advise you, Governor Obaseki. It is good for you to realize the damage the Chinese has caused to people in Italy. These people came here, they said they have vaccine, they got no vaccine. They came here to destroy the land of Italy. The Italian government have sued them to court now to come and pay. They have sued the Chinese to come and pay damages. And you people are taking them to Nigeria. How can you sue them? Spain is asking them to come and pay damages. All the countries they have been told they cause damage there. Which said they have cure. Why Africa not they get sense self? African leaders are they mad? Una get sense? Una they craze? Una not they see what they happen for a civilized country where get instrument. This thing adverse. I know pains when we dey peer for Italy, when we dey pass through for Italy. When we will sit down for us. Now they carry, they go Nigeria. To eliminate people, that one not support Chinese. I never seen wetin go destroy my people where I support. Chinese is not supposed to come to Nigeria. When I don't let me call the thing, say they want use this will take kill their people, finish what I do. I will never support Chinese for Nigeria. Never in my life. Will I support Chinese in Edo State? Never. I will never support Chinese in Edo State. Never will I support Chinese. I will support any other thing. But China to be in my land, never. Never. I'm seriously angry with this issue of China in Edo State. Our leaders, you are all blind. You are all black. I see you have no future for the youth. You people have no future. I don't think you people are watching telly. You people are seeing what is happening around the global the global system, what the Chinese is doing. Now you are bringing Chinese to our land to destroy us. We are living in diaspora. We are crying, shedding tears. The Italian government are holding Chinese responsible for the damage they have caused in this land. And Nigerian government are bringing Chinese to Africa to extort. You are coming to kill the citizen and to extract. I will not support this one. I will not support this Chinese in our land. No. Say no to Chinese in that land. I am fighting for Governor Obaseki to be second tunnel, but I will not fight to join you to bring Chinese in Edo land. I will not join you to bring Chinese in Edo land. No, I kick against that Chinese. I know what they have caused in Italy. I know the atrocity they have caused in Italy. I know what you are passing through. Why must you bring Chinese to Edo State? Obaseki, those people that gave you advice, they are bad people. They don't want to destroy your regime. For bringing Chinese to Edo State, then you made a big mistake. A big mistake. And some of those advisors, they don't have sense. Why must they bring Chinese to Edo land? To kill? Our leaders are wicked. Now I know they are wicked. They have no future for the youth. They have no future. It's time for the youth to rise and say no to this leader. Say no to this leader. They got no future for us. They got no future. When we are seeing what is happening in Italy, why are they not coming out with these people who are destroying the world? You are not supposed to come with Chinese. I will never support Chinese. I disagree with that China. And I will always disagree. I will not support Chinese in Edo State. China have a mission. Why must they bring China to Edo State? That is where Obaseki made his greatest mistake. You have made a mistake. You better correct that mistake now. Because Chinese, they want to kill people. America rejected them. They came to Italy. Italy saw that they came for with evil. Italy now sent them out. Why Edo State? Why Obaseki? Why Edo State? Obaseki, why Edo State? We will be 4+4. Me are the verse for you now. Because of that Chinese, you better make Chinese come out. Because you will be the support. And you don't support carry Chinese come Edo State. That thing they pay me for my head. Chinese. Chinese has caused damage in Italy. They came here, say they came with material. They received and say they come with material. They receive come with material. But what was the material? They came with bad materials. And it was tested. After they saw that the Chinese came to kill, to destroy. Why then? Obaseki will not decided to come accept Chinese. Nothing like testing. We don't have instrument to test. Italy get instrument to test. They test, they say Chinese, you are evil. You cause damage in our land. They send them back with their materials. And we don't support that material. I know Chinese are smarter than us. Do we know how to test? Why must we be bringing Chinese to Edo land? Why? I am highly disappointed with this issue of Chinese in Nigeria. Obaseki is the least I ever thought we take Chinese to Edo State. The advisor of Obaseki is a bad advisor. You want to advise him to cause damage in his second tenure. This thing might cause damage. It's better for Obaseki to realize some of your advisors are bad advisors. They are not good advisors. They're supposed to tell you, please don't come with Chinese. Look at, we are suffering in Italy because of Chinese. The Italian government has sued the Chinese to court to pay for the damage, for the material they brought. They came with a bad material to deceive. Before the Italians realize they have killed, the Italians have detect and send them off immediately. Do we have how to can we test the material? People are saying they have tested it. Mugu. Who say wait till you know to test them? Which material we get? We must say no to China in Edo State. I will never support China in Edo State. Never will I support China. I will never support China in Edo State. Never will I support China. I am not part and parcel of Chinese in Edo State. So I beg you, my great governor, I am 4+4. I am Talk Bar Squad. I believe you to come out and I want to come out for second tenure, the only thing you have to do, send this Chinese back. Because I know your leaders, your advisors are deceiving you now. They are giving you bad advice to tarnish your second term. You don't know. At the end, you will not be regretting because of this Chinese you brought to Edo State. Death will begin to happen now. We don't have Nigeria have no coronavirus. The Chinese are infecting Nigerian citizens now with coronavirus. Like, I stand with that statement and I stand that we have nothing like coronavirus in Nigeria. Nothing like coronavirus. The China have come to infect that land with coronavirus, with sickness. We have no coronavirus in Nigeria, and I stand by my word, and I know with the test and with the fact, with the truth, a country that is so with a heat, what can you tell me with coronavirus in Nigeria? What the hell are you people talking about? They have come to kill, to destroy the citizens of Federal Republic of Nigeria? No. We will all stand up to say no to Chinese in Nigeria. We don't need these people. We don't need these people in our country. Why are they taking Chinese? The damage they have caused here in this land, in Italy, why then we Nigeria are taking Chinese to this country? So not to Chinese in Nigeria. We don't need Chinese product. Our government, are they stupid? Are they mad? We see the pains they have caused us in this land. When everybody is at home crying and weeping, the Italian government have sued them to come to pay money for the material they brought. To Nigerian government have no what to call testing. So now for this simple reason, I disagree. And I speak my mind today. I disagree with Chinese in our country. And I want you all to stand with me and let's fight the race to let our president, our governor know that Chinese coming to our land is to destroy. They have not come to help, not to save life, but they are rather come to destroy, to cause damage to the citizens of Nigeria. They have come to infect Nigerian citizens with various sicknesses. They have come to kill, to reduce the population of Nigeria. Nigeria, wake up from your slumber. Wake up from your slumber. It's time for peaceful demonstration. We shouldn't be afraid to die. Enough of all this trash. Coming out with Chinese into our country, into our land, I kick against it. I will never support Chinese. China are evil. They are evil. These people are killing people. People were able to send warship to deceive everybody. They are trying to set war. People want to cause third world war because of this virus. They are reduced. They want to take over the world. The third world war is about to begin. Nigeria government, they don't have material. They don't have weapons. They are inviting China. The China want to take over Nigeria. Nigeria people should stand up and wipe away all these leaders. Our leaders are the killers of the youth. They are the killers of the youth. I must speak to our leaders. I know what we are passing through in Italy, and the Italian government decided to sue Chinese to court for the atrocities they have caused in this land with the fake material they brought. Do Nigeria know how to identify fake material? Make I go sit down. May I come up and say, may I not disturb? Oh, may I the verse? At the verse. May I come up and say, may I come up and do the verse? May I use the verse? You know the verse, may I use this like parallel light? At the verse. So what are they talking about? They say, a tribe don't reach. When we Nigeria is to wake up from our slumber to speak the truth. Make me not fear to talk. Chinese now to kill. Italy nowadays. Italy, yeah, they don't feel catch them. Chinese came with fake material to the land of Italy to kill citizens. Before Italian government realized, it's too late. But now they draw Chinese to come pay. They draw China to come pay. Say they are the cause of death. Do you know how many $billions they are seeking for Chinese to pay them? Because Chinese came here, Spain, the same thing. Watch out, all countries Chinese is doing it too. Now Africa people now accept them. Africa una will never accept. Now I know so now begin fool. Our youth now blame. Make a wipe all these leaders that come up for our country. Nonsense. All these leaders are the killers. Nigeria be sold to Chinese. Everybody wake up. We cannot agree this thing. We will wipe those Chinese out of our land. We will wipe them. A time has come for we to speak the truth. I will never accept Chinese for the pain when they cause for us for Italy here. When will they cry? When will they suffer here? When they come with fake material to Italy, what here those states want Jews they do? Why federal government they lead them? Why Buhari they allow Chinese to enter the country? Governor Obaseki, you made a big mistake for bringing Chinese to Edo State. The old mistake where I don't see say you make Governor Obaseki, I'm highly disappointed for you to bring Chinese. It pay me, not be China. They want you to destroy your regime. You don't know. Chinese, Italy, Chinese smarter than you people. Chinese are deceiver. What did they do for Italy? It's everyday news about Chinese. What did they do there? Came with fake material. Came with fake material. Hope a second, you be just they do our this Chinese, now you take spoiler. We are going to say no to Chinese. I don't support Chinese. But I want you to become governor the second term. I stand for you to become second. But these Chinese, tell them to leave that state. We don't want our people to die. I know what they did here. We don't want our people to die. And I will never support Chinese to be in that land. We don't want them. We will not allow our citizens to die. That is why we want Chinese people to leave that land. We want them to depart from our land. We don't need Chinese in that land. That land is not meant for China. What are you people thinking? These people are killing us. Now so Nigeria are stupid. Now so now give the policemen the waka. Our youth make una get or make una carry case, stick, can't be Chinese come up for that land. Okay, say they gave 5 billion ammunition to Nigeria army. I heard that. They disappoint us. I never knew our government is so useless. I never know our leaders are so wayward. I never knew our leader don't have future for the youth. I never knew they are very, very wayward. Now I know they want to kill us for our country. Now I know the youth are not safe. Now I know our youth are in danger now. I never knew our leader are so bad. It's time for the youth to rise. It's time for the youth to rise. For the atrocity our leader has caused us now. For the pains they have brought to the land. When you watch the land of Italy, China came, then came with fake material. Then deceived the Italian government. What we saw, Italy were rejoiced to receive them. When they received the China in this land, after 2 weeks, death everywhere. We hear 800 die today, tomorrow 900 dead. Every day there was severe death in Italy. People died. We have thousands of deaths. Italian people lost more than 60,000. Nigeria government, what are you doing? Do you have material to test China's? Do you have material to test? Now no, you people lack knowledge now from the president to the top. Now no, you have no future for the youth. Now no, no one have future. You all want to kill our youth, for you know for the evil you are doing. China have deceived the world now. Then came with virus to kill, to reduce the population of different countries to take over of the world. Nigeria, wake up from your slumber. Our youth, wake up from your slumber. It is time for we to rise. It is time for we to rise. Let's join us together to fight these leaders. Let's join us to fight for our rights. We must fight, though we persevere, though we persevere, though we face pain. But it is good for we to stand together for equal right and social justice now. Let's fight for future of our children. It is better we to fight. Let's join us together, federal citizens of Nigeria. Let's work together as one. We must take the bull by the horn. Let's eradicate China's from our land. China evil, they are evil. They maltreat Nigerian citizens in China. They collect our passport now. What our government are doing. They don't think for the future, for the youth. They don't have future for our youth. Our youth, let's wake up now. Let's go on for peaceful demonstration. The time has come for we to rise. The time has come for we to rise. We must rise and fight for our right. We don't need China in our land. These people has come to destroy. They have come to cause commotion, to kill the citizens of Nigeria, to take over Africa. So we must stand up to say no to China. I will never support China. I will never support China. What they caused in Italy, they came with material. The material they came with was bad material. So I will not accept China to go to Nigeria and tell the world that they came with good material. They have come with bad material. China must leave Edo land. China, they can be on that state of Nigeria. We don't want them in Edo land. My able governor, you know, we people that are supporting you, we the 4+4 bar squad. Some of us are telling you the fact, the truth, that these people need to leave our land. I stand from the bottom of my heart to speak to you, Governor Obaseki. I support you with all my heart to come out with the second tenure. But I will not support you on this aspect of China. I will not support that China to stay in our land. I disagree with the China. I disagree to see Chinese in that land. No. I beg you, Governor Obaseki, if you love us, we supporting you, and you love the citizens of Edo land, please, my able governor, it is better you tell these people to evacuate from that land. We don't need them. I live in Italy. They came here with fake material. They were able to deceive the Italian. What about Nigeria that have nothing to detect? Many people will die. So we want everybody, please, my governor, we don't want you to lose your second tenure. We don't want the enemy to be happy. We want you to tell the Chinese to go. Those people that gave you advice are the bad advisor. Chinese caused damage in Italy. They deceive us. They cause commotion. They cause pains. Today we are at home. We are at home. They came with material, fake material. The material was not a good material. The material was fake material. They deceived the Italian government. Why? What about Nigeria? Do we know how to test? We don't know how to test. Please, I want you, I beg you, my governor, 4+4 talk back. We know, but we want you to push the way this Chinese. Let this China leave this land. I'm not happy. Since morning I've been looking at this video. I was arguing, say, why Obaseki made a big mistake. for taking China to Edo land. Obaseki made a big mistake for taking China to Edo land. Obaseki made a big mistake for taking China to Edo land. Obaseki, I will not support you for taking Chinese to Edo land. I will tell you the truth, for I love you. I am your supporter, a great supporter of you, but I will not support you to bring Chinese to Edo land. I disagree with that aspect of Chinese to Edo land. The way you have been fighting COVID-19 was a good measure. It's not by bringing Chinese. Bringing Chinese, you are causing damage. On what team? Yeah? You have made a mistake, Obaseki. Don't do that. We believe, we want you to come out. It is, we know 4 plus 4, Ogba, now we be. We, the Ogba squad, see tell you now the mistake where you made. You know, the follower, now go tell you, say, Oga, what you they do wrong go. Because if you lose, we go shame as your follower, as your supporter. That is why we must tell you the truth. Say it is better you tell them to depart from that land. I can never support you on that aspect. My governor, I beg you, I just want you to tell the Chinese to leave. Nigeria citizen, Edo citizen, make all of us stand up. Come out for peace. Now once they die, we must come out to say no to Chinese in our land. It be like say that land, everybody is suffering and smiling. We cannot be smiling when we are suffering. We don't need to be smiling when we are suffering. Why must you be smiling when you are suffering? We don't need to be smiling when we are suffering. You are smiling in your suffering. We don't need to be smiling when we are suffering. It is time for we to say no to Chinese in our land. Many of us, we are in pains. We are unable to speak out. We are afraid. If we are afraid, we can't speak. Automatically, we will all die in pains. It is better to air our grievance. It is better to speak out, to tell our able governor, we love him, we support you, but we want you to say Chinese to leave that land. I will never support Chinese in that land. That is why, Obaseki, I am here to tell you that no to Chinese in Edo State. I will not support. Okay? I will never support Chinese in that land. When I not vessel, because as we hear they talk, I come pies. That way, Yahweh no nisa. When I point and say, ina we do twayo quarter. So my people, that is why I'm telling you people the truth. It is better to say the truth that Obaseki, our able governor, we trust in you. We are working for you, and we want you to hear the cry. The citizens of Edo State are crying that we don't need Chinese in our land. We love you. We keep on supporting you. We want you to remove Chinese in our land. So that is why I want you, my able governor. I support you. 4 plus 4, 8 Ogba. But asterisk now, based on what, you have to push the Chinese out of that land. I can never support Chinese. It is very, very bad for the pains they cause us in Italy. They came with fake material. I can never appreciate them, see them with fake material in that land. That is why, my able governor, I must tell you the truth from the bottom of my heart. It is better to air my view to let you know that these pains we are passing through in Italy was caused by Chinese, and these same people that cause pain in Italy, you are taking them to our land. So, my governor, we want you, with due respect, sir, His Excellency, should please tell Chinese to depart from the land. We don't want Chinese in that land. They have damaged a lot of country. They have caused pains. They have caused havoc. We are in Nigeria. We are facing pains Why must you bring Chinese? Obaseki, you fuck up for this one. Uma wanna say, he pay me for this one what you're doing. You with me use the support. Up 4+4 talk back. What people can't tell me? Say you wait 4+4 now go carry district on. I can't beg you my oga. My 4+4 where me I be so. Now consider tell you Chinese we don't need them. We don't need them. So the federal government is the problem of Nigeria. Obaseki is not supposed to take them to our land. Even though federal government Buhari don't eat money we want it. Obaseki, you know your citizen now. Protect we your citizen. Italian carry Chinese go come make they pay money for the fake material they break on. We kill their citizen. Watch very soon. Edo people begin to die now. They will infect everywhere. Don't take over Edo land. Later don't begin busting our farm. Me Edo citizen, me not give Chinese land though. Me not give China land though. Me not let China farm for that Edo land though. These people, they're not good though. We don't want Chinese in Benin. We don't want them. We have been living with them. We know them. We don't want them. They are evil. So, Obaseki, we beg you, my governor, we want you, please, sir, as one of your member Talkback squad, I'm appealing to you, sir, should please send away this Chinese. They came with Italy with fake material. Italy has took them to court. Italy was unable to detect. When they detect was they deceived them with put fake material inside. Can't kill people for Italy. So please, we want you to send them off out of Edo land. We will not support that. Me, I will not support Chinese in Edo land. Wow. People your cause came where we did for Italy. Where be say work with your dads, when they go up, don't call me, you see Dutch work for one day. Obaseki, you fuck off for that one. You be my governor now. Not be you with me believe upon now. When me I just cry day and night, talk back. I just preach every day and night. People don't insult me because of talk back. People don't tell me different things. But I see they fight talk back. Since morning they look this thing. Why my own governor will come fuck me up like this? Go carry Chinese, go $1. Are they shame? Now that one you don't want me you do. Tell Chinese said you don't want contract with them. May they come up for Edo land. May they come up for Edo land though. Now we they beg you. We they beg you, governor. Because we will they follow you. Where they the when now we go talk, say see wetin dey happen. You go hear us. Believe us, Obaseki. No believe your bad advice away there around you. We were they see wetin dey happen. We dey hear, we dey see wetin they do. They answer. So Obaseki, I come beg you. I beg. May you try. We move these people. Come up for our land. We don't want them, and we never want them. Chinese pack your load and go and leave Edo State. Chinese should pack their load and leave Edo State. They should pack their load and leave Edo State. I just send this message that everybody should join me to say no to Chinese in Edo land. We want Chinese to pack their load and leave Edo State. Chinese must go. We don't need them. They cannot be in Edo land and giving us problem. What they cause here? Why must we not take them to our land? We are not happy with that. My governor, with due respect, sir, we just want you to send it out of that land. Because this will be one of the great mistakes we ever made for bringing Chinese into Edo land. You have been playing a good role, but now you have spoiled it with one thing now with Chinese. That is why we want him to tell Chinese to out of that land. We don't want it. They must leave that land. Good evening, Jackie Ray. Jack Ray. Please, my people, let's join hands together to say this thing should be out of Edo land. We don't want Chinese in Edo land. We don't want Chinese to infect our mother, our sister, our brother, our relative. We don't want to lose any soul. We don't want to lose any soul in that land. That is why I want everybody to join together. Let's work together to say no to China in Edo land. We don't want China in that land. We don't need it in that land. So my able governor, that is my few message to you. I want this my message to get to His Excellency, so that any person will not destroy what you have planned. So that nobody will destroy your good work in Edo land. Because through this mess, they will not use it to tarnish your reputation for bringing Chinese to Edo land. We, your supporters, they will not be ashamed to us that is safe for backward. We will not be ashamed. You are not supposed to bring Chinese to Edo land. Good evening, Elion Morogwe. You are not supposed to bring Chinese to that land. The greatest mistake you have ever made is this one. And I say no to Chinese. I don't join Chinese. And I say no to Chinese. And I say no to Chinese. And I want everybody to join me to say no to Chinese. Chinese are evil. They don't need to be in that country. Our people now, they don't know if they use stick, they beat Chinese. Now they show now where they are. We must push them out of that land. Chinese not supposed to that land. No to Chinese in that land. We will never support Chinese. Me, I will never support them. For what I see what they do for the land we are there in Italy. Now you can tell me, say me I support them. Never in my life will I support Chinese. And I will not support them, and nothing will make me support them. Nothing will make me support them. Nothing will make me support them. China must go. China must what? Go. You are not supposed to come with Chinese. We don't need Chinese. We must say no to Chinese. That is my message to my able governor. Because we be 4+4 talk back squad. And we believe. Me, I can't talk the truth. For the pains we with the partner, Chinese, Italy take them to court, now they can't pay money. The money where they want to pay. Now Chinese, they plan war for so. All Europe, they card them, they can't pay money. Chinese, they drag. People from Edo State know they see the truth too. Now they see the truth. Now they see the truth. Chinese must go. We all in Nigeria, they also tell them bad thing. They don't know the truth. Chinese are evil people. They can't destroy the land. We must say no to Chinese. We all must say what? No to Chinese. We don't need them in our land. Chinese must go. Which can't be this one now? Yeah? We must say no to Chinese. That is why today I come out. Our leader, they use the fuck up because of money. If you don't want to share money, now can't use China. Chinese don't want to do. Coronavirus not in Nigeria, number one. Now Chinese want to put on now. Coronavirus not fair in Nigeria. It not fair in Nigeria. When you only real, when you mabo, when you no real, when you are you mabo, go and believe you one by one. So all those bad advice, no ya get them. No magba my governor Basakin. No ya we no ya Chinese. No ya give a bad advice. You go and believe you. You want warrior ten or wana. Who are you when we man no talk backward? Who are you when we man no talk backward? So we marry tamu wana. Chinese are there. We are going to say no to Chinese. Me, I will never support Chinese to be in my land, in my own mother's land. To kill our citizen. They will kill Oyibo where they decide much more Nigeria. Who be Nigeria? What do we get for Nigeria? When our leader they sell us out, our youth is time for we to stand up. I blame our youth. Showoro come out that do not fit gather John Showoro. Some stupid people they come out for face they talk say and I saw Showoro in our mouth make and go prison. I'll fire Miyaki one time. Miyaki, you know say I know you well. See Miyaki, I know you well. They come at me and you know well. That word I keep on take what way you talk. You know it, you know the truth. Everybody is fight for justice, will say justice. Me I dey fight for Obaseki, not because money, I dey fight for justice. Say me repair dollar, now they join the fight for Obaseki. And the fight say they don't give me $1, no. I stand to fight for science because of life where I see say the good work they do. But when I want make go carry Chinese, and we never agree for that China in Idoland. I will never actually support Chinese in that land. We want truth. Later we go hear people going to die massive death in Idoland now, as what happened to Italy. So my people, my able governor, please, some of your leaders are bad. Your advisors are bad. They are advising you wrongfully. We, your supporter, we have cried out. Please, sir, Governor Obaseki, please, we want you to push away Chinese because I am a member of Togba squad, 4+4 Togba, which is 8. I am your supporter and a great supporter of you. I'm begging you to please, sir, for the life of our citizen, we want you to push away Chinese out of that land. They cause havoc in the land of Italy. They came with fake material. And Nigeria, we don't have anything to test it. You are telling them they want to test it. Automatically, they are coming with fake material. These people want to kill the citizens of Nigeria. Why must Nigeria government be going to be taking loan from Chinese government? Chinese will give you loan, they will come to your country, they will tell you your citizen will not work with the company. Is that how you should help your citizen? Buhari ogun ba agbo e. Ono na do amowe na. Can Chinese come our come destroy us? Nonsense. I don't need that Chinese for that land though. Now they make me they are so. One of us they ask. Nonsense people. When they tell us here our children don't go to school, government, Nigeria government, what do you know about Chinese? You not to come and collect billion put for pocket. All the senator, all the House of Rep, House of Assembly, they don't know their duty. They are not to sit to collect billion. They receive money. They see truth, they don't go talk. You not see the one, now they see what they happen, now they see the way they tell you. And then on the bad side of the news now, you're not hear the true side. Say this new, they come with fake material, enter different country. Now not see Italy fake material. Now not see Spain fake material. Are you people sleeping? Wake up from your slumber. Weak leaders. Leader who want to destroy the future of the youth. Leader who is causing pain to his own citizen. Is that how you want to become a leader? I don't come here. Those who have ear, let them hear. And I want this message to move directly to His Excellency, Governor Godwin Noelase Obaseki. We want you all to pass this message. And I beg everybody for Edo State, I dey pass on to now because I did this style, I know what we pass through. Make una no let Chinese near una. Make una no let them. Anyway, una see them, una use slap tear their face. Anyone una see Chinese tear their face. Would they slap them for Italy? Slap their eye. Make them come up our land. Slap them. Slap them. Who see Chinese beat up for your land? Beat up. Beat up. Nigeria not supposed to give them police. Yeah, we they bounce them if they see do anyhow. Sweet bounce them. Our land don't climb police make they guide them. Yeah, we they bounce them. You can bounce them. It's too fast. We see people bounce him. We can tell our governor who they call so. Yes, call her. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, yeah.
It's
Go on. You're online to contribute to you.
Yes.
Go on now.
Yeah, contribute to you.
Go on now.
So, a Chinese, here in Nigeria, I from a way in Nigeria. I believe it will a good tension to Nigeria, Africa people. So when they first start for the country, if they want to help Nigeria or Africa, when they first help all those African citizens in their country.
Wait, they their country, thank you.
They want to help Africa. Because other people, they get mission, they get plan.
Yes.
I don't understand why our president, our governor, they allow those people to carry all those fake material.
Thank you. Yes.
Because if Chinese they want to help Africa, I believe say Africa is their country. So maybe first of all help all those one before we know that yes they want to help Africa.
Yes.
So all those people our African citizens made their country. That they push all those one come up for us.
Okay.
You know they see there for our governor, they know they see there.
Thank you. They blend. Our governor blend. They blend.
They're supposed to see all those things. Different countries that they reject all those countries. You see what they have put to Italy. Now all those masks, all those vaccines made the show come.
Now they say affect Italy now.
Now they say affect Italy. Italy they're not putting notice.
But now Italy they tell them they can't pay now.
Because Chinese in the world anywhere near import they have a map. Have a vaccine here, have equipment here. The country automatically is finished. Yeah. Before you know, cases go full everywhere. I don't have a coronavirus and they near import the So, any contribution, any only contribution.
Thank you for your contribution,
I agree with you, brother. Our governor and our president, they need to wake up. But they will watch what they happen for the global.
So my people, thank you, caller.
This is your message this night and a vital one. God bless you.
Yeah, this is what we talk. So Chinese came to Italy. Yeah, when they come Italy, they deceive Italy and they came with bad vaccine, with fake vaccine. Now they say come Italy. Italian government they hold the responsible now. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Fly. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So much enjoy what you are saying. I know say you be talk about family.
Yes.
If you get link to Obaseki, now we like a government, make una still talk to her. We all they see wetin dey happen for China. Yes. The inhuman treatment given to African national in their country.
Yes.
In this epidemic. Wey be say countries like Europe, immigrant wey not get house wey dey streets, like France and Germany and other countries who not get house wey not even get out to rule for their country because of this epidemic. They now give them a temporary accommodation irrespective of whether you did their deportation list or not, just to take you out of the street, not to contact this virus. All this material that we are sent to Holland first of all raised their land, that half of it was positive with the test time. So they rejected it from China. America raised the same alarm. So Obaseki now is receiving it through that construction, that Chinese company for Ikobaka local government. Because Obaseki said he spent 1 billion naira in converting fighting COVID-19. The Edo people is now asking how you build new hospital. Wait till you build where you spend the 1 billion naira on. So now to cover up that money that it does not spend the money, they just loot it for primary coming and general election. So he not get anything to show say he spend 1 billion. So he's running to bring Chinese in so that if this epidemic hits Benin, make Chinese help him out so that the money wey loot 1 billion naira, you know, go open. So make una talk to una wey dey praise the government say e dey try. We don't want Chinese equipment and those vaccines. And if it should be used, it should go to UBTH or Tiboka. They should first of all, even the Chinese people wey dey there, wey present am, they don't quantify all those ones. They don't test the keys before they will begin to share and give our people. So I see a very big incompetency in Obaseki administration. So now when they praise and look, I see try to talk to them.
Yes, now we see they do so. Thank you, caller. God bless you for your good advice. Okay. Yeah, this caller see talk, you see bring point because we wait the present, we need to see talk, make it see here. Say we the supporter they cry. Say the advice, the thing where they do so we don't support China for that long. China, we don't support China. Like somebody with a call, our sister we want to contribute. We don't support China for the land. Hello. You don't call the phone. So we don't support China for that land, and we want. Hello. Koyo, madam.
Even we contribute to job, we say getting a VSC. Yeah, I mean, no, I don't know. Well, I will what I'm about to never money. Emi have no view obey Chinese, not a baby will be. You understand? No view with a baby Chinese they do. Huh? I will governor. Now, you are going to get baby here.
Meti awe gupe meje oktok bascord me e Chinese na me ya kike se
Chinese because a president or a governor no matter you buy a money or may we rock to me. Am I worried the way with Chinese? Over the then about to know no go Facebook. You might no soon
my go be Facebook now when my push nation no about something. When talk about squad me, to be maybe push me go the Facebook now vote no about something.
My sister. Oh, no soon be Italy. E no soon be Italy. Yeah, can you mahoa? No, no, you support Obaseki no more channels. I deal with ma. You ma Africa country do save Italy. China, China ware.
Yes.
You know the beer bokpa. All the young surviving now. The Obaseki by your beaver of your word by a way. A China the bear be a door. When I'm the media, told you my begin no sumo. China they are evil. Every is bad. Nothing, no concern China. Okuya do every 1 week. Okay, yeah. What do you oh, no. Huh? Here, China, yao. Do you want the year anyway? Who they are or what they are? Then I'm here with Basaki, don't know about that. Do you have a China did do it? Huh?
Okay.
Well, when a Basaki much an up for a dory. Over a much an up for a dory about what? Egba. Meteor Egba was a banner of fire. Unless I want with China take a property, China when you do it. I want when you do it immediately. Whether anything concerning China, media, you might be in the channel with black email we have to me. You might be in a channel with black email to me. Huh? These people, they don't have good mind. Even here, you are borrowed, they shall not send a sister a cake. Also, a sister a channel cake, but the channel we are borrowing you go. 100% all your dinner here. You understand? When you are China man you do it. Only when the time say go.
What's it?
Go.
Yeah. Waiting we can't talk, so we can't beg our governor. We will be talk about for we see the support and so. We still beg her now. Make China come up for Edo land. Because we they fight for them. When people start to die now we don't deploy insult upon. So for that simple reason, me, I can't speak to Obaseki. May please remove China. May come up for this land. We don't want China for the land. Now make we can't talk. So make our governor make it try. Make it remove Chinese come up for that land. Even as see Italy, China came with fake vaccine, come the land, come kill for Italy. Hello? Koyo. Oh, yes, sir.
Cool. Menutana when he contribute to here.
Okay.
Me Obaseki, the wrong person or we're blaming Nababa. If no young tell we Buhari, president of Nigeria. That when he will be a confirm go my way be a confirm Buhari has borrowed a lot of money from China, billions of dollars from China. You understand? Buhari has put Nigeria in debt in China. So Chinese people coming to Nigeria, quiet, I'm talking to someone, I'm on phone. Chinese people coming to Nigeria to come and work there, Buhari already take money for that. When I blame Obaseki now, Obaseki is a boy to Buhari. So you have to obey Buhari. That is why he's doing what he's doing. So, when I baba, Buhari ni magwe Buhari kwa. Ni matame Buhari because Osane Buhari with China. Baba you can go to Gogo by yourself.
Yeah.
So why Gogo China how much did Chinese borrowed Buhari? Nigeria president. Gogo wa mwe emi hia pepefe oye wa mwe la. Where Baba, billions of dollars. Buhari have collected billions of dollars from China. Don't blame Obaseki. Obaseki is not to blame. Obaseki is a boy, like I said before. Obaseki is a boy to
what
Buhari.
you want Obaseki
He's
to
just
do
taking
for us?
commands
Obaseki to do for us. My own support my own China by Dori.
Oh, Baba, he doesn't have that right.
Oh my God, you tell me money devastating him.
No, Eba, he cannot argue with Buhari. Buhari is Nigeria president. He controls the whole of Nigeria.
No.
Oh God, no.
Damiome state where can protect his citizen. The governor, why is he governor? You said I don't want to have contract with Chinese.
Eba,
Listen
before
to
that
me,
governor, before Governor Obaseki be on that seat, the command already came from the headquarters in Abuja from Buhari. Buhari is the one controlling Nigeria, Eba.
Buhari control Nigeria. We are not talking about Nigeria, but the Chinese. Obaseki can say, I don't want Chinese in my state.
He cannot stop
He can say it. He's the one. Listen. He has right over that on his own state. He want to protect his citizen. Or may right on him.
Eba. Eba to Salobo have normal way. Still have some other person.
Obaseki may right up. The money the Chinese will win. They state here for your information. Do my do my who now. His function, his own is to govern his state. It is when the state is was unable to govern. He know what is good for his state. He know what his citizen want. It is what the citizen of the state want that we carry to a president. My citizen said they don't want Chinese in our land. They push it out.
But the fact is that Obaseki Migoni. Daddy, Emato Salobo Etama we not daddy. Believe me. Obaseki Migone. Obaseki doesn't care about this about any Benin people part. True to God, I'm telling you the facts. Obaseki doesn't care about anybody. Obaseki is only working for his second term. Ozen no Louis Maniviedo. No stay abroad. You achieve
Okay, Lagos State marry Jete Chinese.
Lagos State, anyway, one.
Obaseki need to reject it.
Salubwa. Me, I don't know what to say. All I have to say right now is that Obaseki have eaten money and they have Buhari who said that he doesn't know what is going on in Benin. Buhari know what is going on in Benin. Trust me, everything that is going on right now, Buhari and Obaseki, they both know about it. I blame Aruopa daddy. Lao Baba. I blame Aruopa because they all dog back a day.
Buhari no na go agbe bi your man ni.
Ogbede, you go me your way ye. Ogbede. Edia Gbariabe, Agboven your well. I hate that man. God. About man are not shaking.
Okay. So, my people, what will they beg our governor for? Because we will be talk about where they believe on talk about. We want our governor to reject Chinese. We don't need Chinese in our land. Chinese are not good. They have caused havoc in our land. Hello? Hello?
Hello, Mama Afana.
Yeah.
I agree to this call for stay. I did hear that woman just now.
Yeah.
That's what that is not is about not have right. It's left for individual. It's not make everybody come up make the protest and get all those of course.
Yes.
Yes, it's not fair. Make individual come up make they protest, get that thing, make they drive the away for there. Obaseki have right to get a use state. Yeah.
Obaseki get right. When they talk Obaseki no get right. Obaseki get right to govern his own state. He is the commander in chief of the state. I don't want them in our state.
Of course, it's gonna be the case. Make it the command make protest. Like that thing. It's not fair. They have to consider people. For being there, it's not good. People say you can't lose for your sake, for your benefit. Now fuck up. We don't need that.
Thank you very much. God bless you. We don't need them for our state. For those of you who want your comment, give 3 people will figure where they find the number plus 39 351 0161850. Those who want to call plus 39 351 0161850 plus 39 351 0161850 for those who want to call. Now, may I take about 3 calls. Now, my people, may I direct my message to my able governor, His Excellency Governor Godwin Noerase Obaseki. His Excellency, sir, with the masses, some of us, the talk back squad, because some was unable to talk because they are afraid. We want to speak to you because we love you. We are your supporter. We are your fans. We are pleading, sir. We want you as an able governor. You are the chief of command in Edo State. I'm in Edo State. You have the final say now, but you must hear when your sheep is crying. You with your sheep, we the sheep are weeping. We are crying that we thank you, John. We don't need Chinese in our land. I will make you to understand one thing, what is happening here in Italy, how they came with fake material to cause pains in here. Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, caller. Calling from where?
Yeah, I'm calling from Germany.
Okay, go ahead.
My name is Ubonna. I'm an Igbo person.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, my brother. There's not the West time they talk about this Obaseki. I get one question where I want to ask. I beg no so. This question where I want to ask. Oba is the head of Benin.
No. Don't go to there. Just remove that word. Don't ask that stupid question on this platform. We are not practicing monarchy system of government. We are not practicing. We are listening on federalism. Listen, when you are talking about it is. We are not. King, am I right? Who can know monarchy system of governor? Man needed that word. Don't use the word because I made a mistake. Any person must know we are dealing on government. Don't use the word. What comes to governor?
It's okay. It's okay. Don't shout. It's okay. Okay? When you come to the England, the Queen of England has the final say. Okay?
If the Queen of England is supersede all, our children, the Queen of England cause problem in our country.
Final say. Okay? So, if you like, call me up.
You don't know what they talk. Nonsense. You don't not be here, you talk that kind of word. Idiot. Now, not take no school, now not go school. Some of them go school. The nonsense people, now go school, now don't know anything. Now know what it be democracy, now know what it be governor. Government supersede. Now know what anything. Nonsense. Idiot people. Don't call this line to speak what concern my traditional rulers. Wake up. Our Benin women want to deal with them. I make they talk nonsense. Hello?
Hello, brother.
Hello.
Good evening.
Brother.
Hello, brother. Good evening.
Good evening.
I beg, you dey online now? Okay. Now, this issue where you'll be...
Yes.
I want to talk to you, understand?
Yeah.
Brother, one thing I want you to contribute for this issue is that... you hear me, brother?
Go on now.
Okay, one thing I want to contribute for this issue, we just did also, this money of a king, they don't already chop money, you understand? And this Shinezi, Italy we did for years, Shinezi, when Italy, Shinezi enter Italy, now they start to be times 2.
Yes.
You understand?
I know, not Italy. Italy, they just, that guy don't sue them, they can't pay their money.
Any country where she needs to enter, they kill her. Once they enter, if the death are 10 today, tomorrow you'll be 20. From 20 to 30. Y'all watch out.
You know, sir, they talk saying I so can at school level. Thank you, my brother.
Okay, and this Benin where they carry a gold now, now big problem now about cut. So the only thing we supposed to talk now say we'll call our people for us. All those ones, all those material where they carry come, they not use anything. That's the one thing we supposed to talk now. Because if we call the argue like this, now again is this. Now we just the argue ourselves, you understand? Yes. Now to tell the way they Africa say, see what they have. See what they have because they're not there yet. Now waiting they call them for that way. Now they'll believe because they not enter Europe. They don't know what they happen for Europe. Now here they say here. You understand?
Thank you.
Not the one where we will be quarrel with ourselves.
Thank you, caller. Yeah. See, that boy where they talk, your son, that Igbo boy. Queen of England gave start to the Prime Minister. For our state, governor will sue the king in power. He gave the staff of as kingship to the what? To the staff of kingship to the what? To the king. Now, people don't understand the difference between monarchy system of government and federalism. Now, people, when people they talk nonsense, what they don't know, then may they go read government, study government. Study government. And not the meaning of you they talk. We are being controlled. And not be king they control Nigeria. King does not control Nigeria. For your mistake. Not be king they control Nigeria. Nonsense people. Hello? Hello?
When you realize.
You realize, okay, what I'm going to realize later. You realize.
Yeah, we're laughing.
Okay, go on. Go on. Hello?
Okay, but I say, you know, one is that I can contribute to the core voter. mais tu as tu no gwa ke avec na ke do avon ne hia gwa no na we erima no kwa omomigo iya mamu na na rie o taonsa ibi onsa na kuya mani de Chinese vote
who na we president momigo president
president me kama we president
who every man who president use the word we president momigo
he we president ma he me kana iya wa momigo ọmọ mere ihe akwu ni ya wuta usa wudoni we ni ya ge mula ya wa o se no ba se ki governor ere mo ni wudoni o se no ba se ki na gi amwele ewi ma ae toge mo kisesi oni na re la yo tore no ru yu wera rije o ba se ki wa we do mo la ti abati re doni o ma te ge no sumu
Mama na talk back school dem na be pass na the governor
ni when ya ka ya test about party the family
che about the family you were jam weta na the why go town na test about test family me weta na why me your weta ni me ni weta ni when I testing ya okay maybe be na the governor now who when I go ya testing me who when I go ya testing me because my be na the governor na ya testing man me down with tani e no awata who when I puele Chinese ni kwa ebo ni re
okay do yin na go no wa ko Chinese abati na wu ye gi because abati
maya talk back squad maya in maya gba talk ba maya in ma we mama ni the Chinese ma tomo we ma we talk back for agun na bata re get okay my so water we e Chinese ma ekebe wo ni oba sabate governor oba to your advice the governor ni we na bat no wa we about the advisory we ba advisory ba why about your advice the governor why you tell ba why you we was about your advice the governor me advisor why you attack about
Muari hospital no salopa no we no get ya wuja wa bata do la dia pa vi voda we camera egbe re oni ma be na bata na ewu yen mo mo
wa bata ata imagine the water
o ko ma ge ware no ja gwale
o ma ya later ya ge di video ma ya later
Ogba family gba we no
Ogba family ma Ogba family we just want governor Edward Seki to push Chinese out of that country Chinese ma need the Chinese money governor Ogba Seki must tell Chinese to leave Edo land a Chinese cause problem in Italy today amuya ye court na to pay damage in Italy so we that living in Italy must see the pains of the Chinese government. That is why we are sending this message to our able governor Obaseki to tell Chinese to leave Edo land. We don't need Chinese in that land. He has a problem in Italy. The pains we are all facing today was caused by Chinese. We are told we are not going to work was caused by Chinese. Chinese came with fake material to kill the Italian citizens, to kill a lot of people. They came here from 400, 500, 600 people were dying. Go on, my brother.
Hello, Tioma. Wato.
Yes, sir.
Kuyo wakabo ginatwe.
Yes, sir.
Even na boss no we oge politician owe Osalopwa oze normal.
Yes.
Osalopwa no la wo no get to ni amani maya.
Yes.
Na be your boss in no logima.
Yes.
No ya na teme na Obaseki wa meti kakabo no meti ya hamitana ni China pa. No
Yes. Yes.
Idi gbale meji I so e ga damu to somole peke wo sumbo ni ana contest what is this e dollar kami ya mani de sumbo ga damu somole ya ni
yes
to the very adamu somole to vote na ala ye negwe ni awe gbezo ni adamu somole na me to post Obaseki e very right no me ti ya kami tana ni tana li e Buhari me right no ya me ti ya to gwa be do se
yes
Amomigo. Abeti man ware no wa ko asu seri we ya wa ko asu sin ya. La do mi we China la wa. David ya ni ya u fete ya. America the pot ya. Ya the pot ya ya ya. If mo ya de ya ni the China wa America how you copy. Ami ya na agbare China. E do na so me mai kwa ni ya ma kwa ni China. Okay, what ba se ke ye China ya u? No mudie to se
wala wo wa la yin Obaseki do we ya go de 8 years o we no rule o saba we yo ki alaba olaba no saba wo laba oni yo pari me wata but o be ni ya do yu kuna wetin ma no be maybe me gbe ya be ra o ni ya do mi egwe eyan be do asunu we do o kwenya ni channel ni ya ori abia like do ni pe ni channel abia we ni because all the old work ya yi channel nothing
what's it
Obaseki wa meti no ya ka me channel pa because e Buhari àwọn mi go like no kana ai
yes
wa ato che wa no pari wa ori wa contribute jo wa le we ya ka mo Obaseki no bi channel wo re pe o sa ba we o win the election no win no sa ba wo ka areba o we abati ma o ono na ma o no pa ma o no ma du go
yes
to that guy no ka ala ni le tele na ka re go e ro to that guy o sa lo ba no na wo no mo mi ta no mu chale no wa no pa ni me wa te di wo kakabo okay we ono na ma o no pa we ne channel vie ni ya vie mi ya which me ti wo kan ya vie pa because ya ba ya ku ni ya ne ya pa ku ni ya kwa ne e wo ni ku ya ku ni channel
yes
e do ye channel ya wo wala wo wa ka mo Obaseki ono pa wa ori ta ye na ti
oh my what's it okay so
we so chewa we si ko
on d'accord là allô tu donc faire contrôler allô
Ìtàfẹ́ ìdọ́mọ̀.
ìtúwáyò oyo
Dọ́mọ̀ àgbà wa tọ́pẹ́.
iṣẹ́
Ìpàfẹ́ òbí ọmọ ní òní rí eke lẹ́bi sincere tó yí sọ́dà tó gba ẹgbà ọ̀pá màyà hín. Nọ̀sáka ẹ̀ ọ̀dẹ́. So, èmi yìí òní tayọ̀ náà òbí ẹ̀kẹ́ àdọ̀lọ́ ẹ̀yí. No day. Iwa oni wa tare di o wo di wa no de o teme no ku tieme we hospital no reki adolo ye iyan fie wari iyan ma test o mo pa iyan ma di test na ya test o bi yan we no mo nwe no la ge ko pa no no to ne hiun si no la ge ko pa o yan ni mo nwe no ro ni idi ya ku yan ya ye Ugapa. Only the cattle we know de na me waku e gonna na gbeda no de na. So owe yan ma test here ba side ni wo ro ni yan na kunya uga. Ba yan kunya uga pa we know de yan ke da test yan. Yan we o te we te so le kwa wo. E so le la jan wu wa wo.
yes
So, only me ya vo my do. Ni mala wo. Ona ye we violent. Himi eri mago Obaseki.
yes
Na himi to pa te pa wa ki ma ya wa kaka isi ni ayene. Na ti obo pe. Na ya tin na ya himi Obaseki. Ishana no muri. No we de ku equalote be ni ani aya pa. Because ni majese ma.
okay what's it
Ni majese ma we continue.
okay thank you Konla on avait vu already we just on avait vu already we believe in everybody they heard their view we want Obaseki to live their life hello 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 I dey program you say I call you a Zaza today na program na life I dey o na life I dey o okay you no know later
What you dey? Which topic you dey?
I dey topic of say Obaseki must make tell our make Obaseki tell Chinese make comot for Edo State we no want China for Edo State
Okay.
bye. Another caller. Hello. 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 I pick person call for Gemini. They call since if they look me. You know help you now. Hello.
Hello, brother Abuta.
Bota. Oh yes, sir.
God, now you do, brother. I just say make I contribute towards
the topic on board, my dear brother. Well, I really appreciate you for coming out with this message and this topic this evening. So, Chinese going to Edo State is one thing, while Obaseki accepting these goods from the China is another thing. We have been seeing what is happening around the world today. You understand? This is not an epidemic. This is pandemic. It's a thing that has to affect a continent, and not just a continent, continents around the world. So we, the Edo people, while the numbers of people near Europe, America, or maybe Asia, I think where Edo or Buse. But the truth of the matter, for Obaseki to bring the Chinese to the Edos, that is to say, Obaseki wants to destroy Edo land. I'll tell you, my dear brother, or listeners out there, I'll tell you all this evening. Mark my word, Edo State does not belong to Obaseki. Edo State belongs to each and every one of us, irrespective of the party you belong to, whether you are in APC, PDP, or whatever parties around there in Nigeria. You understand? Because this is a big problem that Obaseki just brought now. People may be seeing it as a child's play, my dear brother. I've traveled to so many countries around the world, and what Obaseki has just done now, Obaseki is not acting as a slave to his slave master Buhari. Obaseki is just acting as a killer right now because the world has seen it. I live in Germany here. You understand? Germans, they have sued the Chinese trillions of dollars to pay them for the damage.
Also with Italy sued the Chinese too. Trillions of dollars. Everybody sued them. All are the same thing.
Yeah, brother, I tell you, me and you, we don't live for that country, Italy, for years before me come out years ago. Brother, I tell you, nothing good ever comes from China. Not to talk of drugs given to my lovely Edo people. But one thing we have to say, I just commented on your platform there that in Edo, we can make masks, we can make this hand sanitizer and some other things in Edo there. They're waiting China bring. Let me come down literally so everybody go understand now. So waiting just there, we say, Obaseki don't open door to kill our people. They will not be happy to see Obaseki representing the enemies of the Benin. You understand? So this is a medium to tell everybody right now that we have to kick against Obaseki. The 4+4 or whatever. No, he shouldn't hide there because one, he just did something right now that it's endangering the lives of every Edo people around the world. Look at what is happening in Kano. People are just covering up now that is not coronavirus. Brother, there's an outbreak in Kano that has killed more than 100 people. It killed more than 100 people within 48 hours, which is official. You understand? So those people that deliver those goods to Obaseki, how are we sure that those people, they are free from COVID-19? And those goods that they brought, how are we sure that those goods hasn't been contaminated? We all have to do one thing or the other right now. First and foremost, we have to tell our people to stay clear from every health centers, to stay clear from every, what is it called? I don't know how to put it because when people are sick, they go to the hospital. You understand? Most hospitals are even non-functioning right now. But by bringing these things, Obaseki is not helping Edo State. I swear. He is not helping Edo State. Rather, he wants to destroy Edo State. You understand? So we have to keep on ringing the bells. Tell our people at home not to go for vaccine, not to go for any checkup. Because what these people brought now, they just bring this thing to kill my lovely Edo people. So that's what I want to contribute. Thank you, Mr. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And one thing, sorry, bro, one thing, there was a Biafran brother that called. He's my brother, you understand? So if he's still online, I just want to correct us about something. In 1975, there was a change of government. There was a little change in the Nigerian constitution. And that is to say, many years ago, powers belongs to traditional rulers.
That was, yes. Don't go that side. Don't go that side. It's space. our constitution demand.
Came up.
No, that one has been designed. That one has been defined. That one is different. I don't go to that one. Traditional ruler is not control your transition. It does nothing change there. Hello? Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, so yes, my brother. This Obaseki when they talk, so my brother. Not be Obaseki get power to tell those China to go back, but the other hand of it,
Are they here? Go on.
you dey hear me? Okay, brother. So the other hand there, you know, say Buhari don't go China go collect money for this all these things when they do. So Buhari now be paid, they don't collect money, and all these things must go through the whole Nigeria, the whole state in Nigeria, not really those states. So wait for me. I for say okay, fine. I be a talk about family anyway. I for say no
talk about family.
Okay, I was saying no Obaseki. Waiting will do now. Make all those things where they don't already sign with the because they don't sign the contract. The contract. China don't take their paper. Go don't call the China back. Make they go carry their property. Make they carry the draw everything. Make they carry go where they for carry. Cause we don't want that for Edo State. You understand me? So they will not do video again. See, China don't carry them because when they will carry this thing back to where they for carry, we believe, we not believe, people not believe. They not believe Obaseki. Me and like Obaseki very well.
I like Obaseki before talk about what.
Okay, what do we do now? May they see do video, may they conquer their property, may they can go back to where they for sin. Finish. You understand, my brother? That is what I see for instance. That's how they saw Obaseki now still they say comment when they did that. Those will not be the issue. Those will not be the issue at all. This government. This one are government. Not be everything Obaseki. Only it's not like that. Not be doing what they say, not be say be. You understand me? So now what I don't see be all the comment when they write for years. So they watch you and they see the comment Obaseki, they won't care about you. It's not like that, my brother and sister. It's not be you what they think. Nobody want make people die now. Nobody want that. Obaseki don't want make people die now.
We about to make mistake. You don't see say Chinese don't invade it, they invade different country. Not be Chinese supposed then we don't need them for those things. God for Buhari collect money for their hand. Or our government will say we they follow, we not talk about small. If for protect the single tell say he don't need them for his state. We don't need them. We don't need them. And no need to government state reject them. Why they don't carry them go not? So make sure they go and keep even Italy and how many people die for Italy.
My brother, they will return now. I believe my governor, you will return those things. You will return now.
Now that will be the background for because we believe, say we will be talk about formation, no cash us. So Obaseki need to do that and put them out.
Party. No, go. She no catch us, my brother. Obaseki will return. I don't do video against this thing. Say they don't see
we don't need them. We don't need them. We don't need Chinese in that land. I don't know why they give Chinese for contract. The people are not Buhari. You go soon die. Go on. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, caller. Okay, maybe call that caller.
Thank you, my brother. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Good evening, sir, brother.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, I greet you for the topic where you come out this evening. This is my first time I pass your program. I really appreciate it. But the problem is that some people they say Obaseki not get right to tell China make they go back. Now Obaseki get Benin, not be Buhari. You understand? So that president borrow money, not affect governor. You understand? Obaseki already say I don't need this thing for my state. This thing can kill my people. You understand? Yes. Later, when I talk about family, when I talk about return that signal because
now make me wait to be up so see the talk and say we don't need that, no pay with the beer for Italy.
Yeah, if almost 2 months plus a day is house. And me and my head, I don't decrease because of staying inside house. Nigeria, virus never enter Nigeria. Show now no.
We don't get coronavirus for Nigeria. Now she needs to want to keep people. Now we don't get to Nigeria.
Nigeria not get hospital, they not get anything. Coronavirus will kill everybody for Nigeria. Only people when they push. Now they will survive coronavirus for Nigeria. Because we in Nigeria now we carry corona come. Now we the fan now. All those pastors where they start saying they want go China go kill coronavirus, they never kill her for Nigeria. So you see pastor come out again. Brother.
No, all those pastors for Nigeria, fake pastor, where they go finish today.
Okay.
You see all of the people.
About the Europe and now what they cry. She's on these days, are not they waiting the apple for Edo State. And they fear, as me they hear. You understand? Nigerian people don't know what they have because they don't get light. No later we call them for it, now that they still they understand. We have to see call them, make them not take anything for China. You understand? Before we call our family, you guys or bad people have to call your governor. This thing we don't need that. That's the letter I have to say, brother.
Thank you very much.
You are blessed, brother. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my people, all my citizens of Edo land, I will appreciate you people today for this. We can't come together, can't air one view, so that may we beg our governor based on say we be all for basketball, and we will not be for basketball, but we dey fight for the betterment of the citizens of Edo land. We want our people dey okay. Hello. Talk. No, we move something for mouth. Talk. We move something for mouth.
No, not put cloth. Why we put cloth? My picture not show for your phone.
I know that your picture.
You don't know the doctor. You share they call you before.
I don't know. I did now. You put side now. I know now side you take talk. Go on. Go on, my brother.
Yeah, what it make me call you? God will bless you. Like I be a good boy. You understand? So even this thing, I won't forward that for your this thing. I forward that give many people. Even if I the more for all of them, you know. This thing, so I just want to make everybody that focus from when they support our brother governor of Baseki. I want many people to put because we from Edo State. Because no something if it's something for back home now, it will too affect people when they are abroad here. Because me and I did Germany. I know what they happen for Italy, for Spain, you know, even for Germany when we did so, even for China, even for America. So this thing, Obaseki know what they happen in the follow platform, even Abba, all of them they see. All these things now when they welcome China for there, my brother. If it happen, maybe I believe say we will lose that election. Believe me, if it happen, I don't pray make it happen. So people now when they support them, maybe you try call her now. I know platform when he get now, maybe you quick call her and tell her say make him stop, make it return those things.
I make we when they support her, so they do and come out now make it know say Chinese we don't need them for our country.
Yeah, we don't need that. We never need that for the Edo State because we do the diaspora. You understand? For even talking about the Nigeria, then Edo State now we many part of diaspora, so we know what it is so. So we know what it happen. So that channel, whether they like it or not, maybe we give Obaseki, maybe we talk to them, maybe they give them body, maybe they must come on to now months. They must come on.
Okay.
You understand, bros? Yeah. Okay, bros. Thank you very much.
So my people, we don't come together, come air one view say, no matter the whether you be talk about or not talk about, because we be talk about, even though you know, but what will matter now for we to fight to tell our governor to beg her, we don't need Chinese from our land. I know what happened for Italy. They came with Italy, then deceived Italian and kill everybody. Italian they sued them to come, they can't pay money. They came with fake this thing. When Italian deterred. So Obaseki need to know say these people. I don't know why Nigeria government don't they watch telly. Hello. No way for the watch and make you talk.
I don't know.
Go on.
Call.
Eyaro.
In the fire of our Baseki, this no we have vaccinatorian it's China company no red to state. Or yeah, we job on Obaseki. Hello?
Mama need the whether China or red to state.
Mama need the upper family machine. Obaseki do a lot for now you have a tune or you have a two state.
Obaseki must support, but Mama need the Chinese redo.
Mama need the Chinese redo. But we want a platform. You know, because Trabal get a American like those states. Trabal get American like those states. A good man, a good man,
okay, Matana.
My because he must say family. I will want. I don't want any now. Now, Wala ya. Na tia bati. Na bati gwa. No time I know we be doing this na ni aka aso aga na. Ni aka ni amure na no be e we gbe ni mama ni dey. Mama tell no support ni have you. Even I say it to was here. After the na sunu
Yes.
After o kan ni na. Na na go na we video kan na come about ni na call about na ba go. Na ni no go to ni na. Mama ni de do state, mama ni de channel do state ni. E zero pa yan we not ba. E zero pa yan we ya gbe COVID-19 yo. E zero pa yan na.
Okay.
No, go.
Okay.
It was because I was trying to the program.
Okay. My people, what we want for do? We not even find this Chinese company for that Benin. What we dey beg our governor? Maybe the guests can say Chinese company, they don't want to foreign and work with the Chinese, they keep people. I don't know why they bring Chinese. Our people now, no, wait till all the people, all the babat we get. Now not go buy Chinese for the country. No, thank you this. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, yeah. Bota.
Yo, yaka gwa yoge Chinese nani ya move ye done.
Minute to me no ayagwa he to me enu wa to ata je wa gwa.
Okay. Abasaki we no la wo. No la na ya gbele mani masi ayo. Imako. No la wo because the coronavirus ni ya move ye Nigeria wo no ma say we ma. We bought me my way in my waiting and no to all press coronavirus. Then Nigeria just said the coronavirus ya to tie. One year more shall not give family or not to the family because they are very innocent citizen. Because they are not a citizen upon near pay. You go near with your bona. The man never wanted to ask again, and a family man. No matter law or war, one year governor, my one other governor in my head. My house a lot going here. No law or one night, but the family man, my power, my one in my wine here. No more Chinese that back packaging up China.
Okay.
Only when it's on your
Thank you. All of us, we don't hear, we say we don't need Chinese for our country. So today, I come pass on to our governor, make it hear the cry of we living in diaspora. Say we will be supporter of Obaseki, and some will be non supporter of Obaseki. We all join them together. They say no to Chinese. That our able governor, His Excellency, should please hear the cry of his masses, hear the cry of his sheep. You are leading us. We voted you in. We want you to hear our cry. We want you to please, sir. We want you to send Chinese out of that land. We don't need Chinese. We don't want our family to die. We know the havoc they have caused in Italian land by deceiving them with fake material. They want to infect Nigerian citizens, infect Edo land. They were able to succeed in Italy. What about Nigeria? Is a small country for them to kill. Hello. So we are begging you, Obaseki. Hear the cry of we that are supporting you. We don't want to bring shame to us. Don't bring disaster to Edo land. We are begging you. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My brother, good evening. I did see you when I go to you. God will bless you.
Amen.
God will bless you.
Amen.
Make a small contribution. You know, say I'm from Edo State. Edo.
Yes.
I'm from Edo State. Yeah. The thing is that my brother, we want to stay here. Now we dey get the news past people when they house. Yes. The thing when he did my good brother, our neighbor Governor Baseki. The direction when he take is very bad because the news when this when he comment those two so this when he comment those two so last week we first hear the matter say this if I see when they bring come so the one brother come for those two for election most of us don't believe. I would really come and say the thing really come arrive. So people call the call. I can say they call it say you talk say na lie or not then they call it say see anana. The thing I really consider the thing can't tire me. Now I say, how governor when this is educated like this, I will do something like this. When this election don't reach, I will do something like this. So my brother, and the way when you take up now say you be Toba family, and I pray, I please on my behalf for you to try to reach the governor. So let her know he may not try that thing because if he try that thing, release her.
because the election already closed. Because me no want make that man still lose the election. Me want make him winner.
Okay.
Because when he be now, even though I call Edo State today, all of them, nobody is happy. Nobody is happy. You know? Because you know say those states and they are for grow. If anything just enter them, now that's what they'll take for her to work against the person.
Yes.
Yeah, because all of them when they return to the one contest election, there is no one when they reach with Godwin Obaseki, but you have to be careful for this.
Yes.
You have to be very, very careful because all those people when they see they advise on those things. Because if you not return this thing, I mean they see and say they cannot come up for those states. This thing now, my brother, I'm just telling you because before I talk to you now, I did call people for me. I know what they tell me today. Because all of them ready for Obaseki. So now for me, I could tell you, bros.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
God bless you too.
So, able Governor Godwin Obaseki, we the masses, they cry. We even the talk basketball where we be, we they plead you, plead. Say make you send those trucks come up for Edo land. We don't want because what we see for Italy now make with the yarn. With the yarn based on what we experience where we say these people deceive the masses. With the yarn based on say these people come to Italy, deceive the Italian government, they knock a lot of people dead. So you cannot tell us to be happy when we see Chinese for our land. My able governor, we love you. We want you to win second term. But we are pleading that you should please, if you love us, you love the citizen of Edo, we want you to tell the Chinese, thank you, we don't need the take. My people don't need those goods. We don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need it. Say no to Chinese. And in short, we don't even need Chinese in that land. These people that are involved in fake things, even in the European land, they are being caught with fake money. They will produce fake Nigerian money. They have been producing fake euro. They are being caught separately. We are caught in Spain. We are caught in Italy. Underground, there's so different things. Nigeria, do we have material to detect these Chinese people? These are what the federal government need to know before inviting, have a deal with contract for Chinese. You don't have a deal with a country that is being condemned, a country that is full of fraud, a country that is full of fake things. My able governor, today, I'm talking to you as one of your supporters, a mouse tool to say you must come out for second time. But I will not assist to support Chinese in Edo land. That is why I stand to speak, to plead on behalf of the masses and on behalf of some of the good folk basketball who decide to say no to this virus, to this material. That is why I stand up to speak to you, my able governor. Please, my able governor, please hear the cry of your people. Hear the cry of I. That is, I've been fighting, campaigning for you, and I decided to tell you this one, that we don't need Chinese in the Edo land. My able governor, we love you. We want you to continue the good work, but this one bringing Chinese is not a good work. Chinese is not a good work. This one, Chinese in that land with the material, that one a bad work. So we want you to tell them, the one way will spoil your work, make it come out. We don't need this Chinese. That is the only thing we are begging you. We don't want them to deceive and kill our people. These people are chickish. They are devilish. If for Italian to lock a Chinese store before, you know what they call Chinese? Able governor, we are begging you. We want you to send these people out of our land. We beg you in the name of God, Martin. We beg you in the name of our ancestors. We don't want our citizens to be dying. We know the pains. We here living at home, we have faced the tears, the pains. Do you people even care about we are feeding here in the diaspora? But now you want to kill our citizens? How do you want us to fight? How are we going to take care? We'll be shedding tears. We like love our loved ones at home. We left them at home. We need to see them back in peace and with joy, with good health, not without sickness, nor with infection. Please, my able governor, please, we beg you. I am a supporter, and I still support you to come out the second tenure, and we are still going to vote for the second tenure that you will win, and you see your 8 years will complete as talk basketball. But this one, I want you to send Chinese out of that land, and as you do, God will bless you. and God will strengthen you to come out victorious in your second term. We want you, sir, to do that. We are beside you. We are with you. We are campaigning with you. Even though you don't know us, but we are the people walking and crying and shouting on your behalf, pleading that people should vote for you. We have received a lot of insults, a lot of embarrassment because we are campaigning for you, sir. But we are still using this our platform. The platform we are using to campaign for you. The same platform we are using it to tell you now that you should please send Shinese away from our land. Chinese. We don't need Chinese. We don't need Chinese. That is why I still use this platform that I'm using to campaign, to promote you. I'm still using the same platform to plead. Sir, I am talk back squad and talk wagba 4+8 tumba, but we move this one Chinese so that make it back finish. But may they not use this one against you. Because this one, me myself, I know happy put for Chinese where you bring come. When you take give them this one, me I know happy. I do like this. God. Hey, that's why they support one spoiler. That's why they support one spoiler. No, my able governor, I want you to please, sir. We don't need this material, and we don't want you to share this material to anybody, sir. That is what I want to beg you. Don't share this material, and we love you, and you must always come out for your second term. You come out victorious, but just try and do what we want. That we don't want this Chinese in that land. We don't need their material, and we don't want them to despise to share it to anybody. Please, we beg you in the name of God. So today we want this message to be passed to our able governor, that our governor to know we disagree with Chinese in our land. We disagree. We shall never accept Chinese. We will never accept. I will not accept. We will not support Chinese to be in our land. We don't need their material, and we don't take their material. We don't want our family. I'm telling our family, do not allow anything that came from the Chinese hand be given to you. As far as you live in Edo State, please reject whatsoever that came from Chinese people. They are evil. We live in Italy. We see what they are doing. That is why I pass this message to my able governor. My able governor, I pray for God to strengthen you, and pray for God to open your eyes to see the pains and why we are crying. And I pray those bad leaders who are giving you bad advice, that you should push them aside and follow the good supporter of you that are crying with the sheep that decided to campaign for you, and we are still calling you now that, sir, we don't need these people. With due respect, sir, we want you to push away Chinese out of our land. And as you do, God bless you. Love you all. Good night. See you tomorrow on my next program. I remain Uyedo Talk Show, the Kongobiri Master, the husband to all single mother. Ciao. Share this message. Bye.